Yes, let's look at the compounds of carbon. We are starting with carbon 4 oxide. Carbon forms oxides, namely carbon 4 oxide, carbon 2 oxide, either carbon 4 or carbon 2 oxide. Preparation of carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide is prepared in the laboratory by the action of dilute hydrochloric HCl acid or dilute triosonitrate 5 acid with any triisocarbonates. Laboratory preparation of carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide can be prepared by heating metallic triisocarbonate 4, except those of sodium and potassium. That is, except sodium and potassium triisocarbonate 4, which were not decomposed, and hydrogen triisocarbonate of sodium or potassium or calcium. Physical properties of carbon 4 oxide. It is colorless, odorless gas. It is soluble in water. It is a very weak acidic gas which turns wet blue litmus paper to faint red. It is denser than air. On cooling, it readily liquefies and solidifies at minus 78 degrees Celsius to form a white solid known as dry ice. Chemical properties of carbon 4 oxide. Reaction with alkalis. It reacts with alkalis to form the corresponding triisocarbonate 4 salt. Oxides does not burn or support combustion of most substances, but magnesium ribbon continues to burn for a short time in the gas, which is decomposed into visible sparks of carbon and oxygen, which oxidizes the metal. Reaction with water. Carbon 4 oxide dissolves in water to form triisocarbonate 4 acid, soda water. That is the name of the solution formed. This is a weak dibasic acid which ionizes slightly. Uses of carbon 4 oxide. Solid carbon 4 oxide is called dry ice and is used in refrigeration. Solid carbon 4 oxide sublimes at 198 Kelvin or 780 198 Kelvin or 78 degrees Celsius. This is an error. Just use this temperature 197 Kelvin, leaving no residue. It removes necessary heat for its evaporation from the food material which it cools, thereby cooling that food material. This is minus 78 degrees Celsius. This is wrong, so I'm going to remove it. Carbon 4 oxide is used in the preparation of soda water and other brands of fizzy drinks. In these drinks, carbon 4 oxide is dissolved at a high pressure. When the pressure is released by opening the bottle, the gas is liberated. So another name for carbon 4 oxide is CO2. So there is actually two here, though the smaller two. Liquefied carbon 4 oxide is used in special fire extinguishers for petrol fires. In its gaseous form, it is used in the fire extinguisher found at home and in vehicles. It is also used in the preparation of chemicals such as sodium triisocarbonate 4 in the solvay process. Test for carbon 4 oxide. The main characteristic property of carbon 4 oxide is its ability to turn lime water milky. Bubble the unknown gas through lime water, that is calcium hydroxide solution. If the gas is carbon 4 oxide, the lime water will turn milky due to the precipitation of insoluble calcium triisocarbonate 4. Continue bubbling more of the gas through the solution. The milkiness should disappear, leaving a clear solution. This is because carbon 4 oxide reacts with insoluble calcium triisocarbonate 4 to form soluble calcium hydrogen triisocarbonate 4. In subsequent classes, we are going to be going into carbon 2 oxide, COCO. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by this side of the video. If you have any question concerning this and other lessons we'll be bringing to you, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you.